guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to talk about how to choose your foundations.
Audio Jungle.
I got the questions on how we can check our foundations and what is undertones, how can we check our undertones, and many more. So I thought, why not just sit and create a video about that and answer all of that questions. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So today, first of all, what we are going to do, that I'm going to show that how you can swatch the foundation. Now I have seen the beauty counters and the ladies there swatching your foundation on your hands. This is wrong, you guys. You can never swatch the foundation on your hand. Your face skin and your hand skins are different. So always make sure that whenever you go to purchase a foundation, swatch the foundation from your cheek to your neck to match them both. Never swatch here. It can never get you the perfect shade of your foundation. So first of all, I'm going to show you three different shades, the light one, the dark one, and my perfect shade, that how bad it look if you will choose the wrong shade of your foundation. So let's do that. First of all, I am swatching the shade which is darker from my skin tone. I am also going to blend it so that you guys can see that after blending how it looks on my skin. As you guys can see that it is not matching to my skin tone and it slightly looks muddy, so it is not the color that I will choose. Now for the next color, I am choosing the lighter shade from my skin tone, and let's see after blending how it looks. As you guys can see that this is not my shade, and if I'll apply it all over my face I might end up looking like a ghost, so no to this color too. Finally, I am taking my shade and you guys see how beautifully it's set on my skin. No light, no dark, it just beautifully set on my skin. It just looked like my skin but better. So this is my shade. Now let's check my shade on the other side so that you guys can have an idea that how it will look on my face. So now I hope you guys know that why it is important to choose your perfect shade and why it is wrong to swatch here. So now how you can choose your foundation. If you are a beginner, never buy foundation first time from an online shop, because foundation buying from an online shop can be tricky. You don't know exactly what your shade is, right? So what I can suggest is just go to a store, check what is your foundation shade, and then buy it from the online shop. It's really easy. Just go to the store first, because that is the thing that you are going to apply and use for next 2 to 3 months, I mean. So why to waste money? A one time visit is totally fine. And when you go to the store, don't swatch it on hand first. Second, when you swatch it on your cheek and your neck, just go outside the shop, check it in sunlight, try to take a picture with flash, then see that how it comes out, because lighting in the stores are really not that good sometimes. So I would not suggest that you just rely on the store lights and purchase a thing that you might regret after that. Next is, when we swatch the foundation, we keep the mirror really close, right? So what it happens that our judgment depends on that closer view. but try to look it from the far. It will give you a nice judgment, a different judgment, different view. You can get the idea that how it is really showing off from the far. So I would suggest that closer as well as the far look is important, so do that. Next is, when you are going to buy the foundation, make sure that what is your exact need of that foundation. If you need that foundation for college or office purpose, don't go for a heavy coverage. Just go for a BB cream or a light coverage or medium coverage foundations, because there are more types of foundations like BB creams and CC creams, then liquid foundations, then stick foundations, then cream foundations. And they are made different according to their purpose, because the BB cream, the CC cream are for daily usage for college girls, the office girls, right? The lightweight foundations are also for that, but the heavy coverage foundations are really not for the everyday usage. Purchase according to your purpose, because the cream foundations, they are really not for the normal people. They are for makeup artists, the professional makeup artists. They know how to work with that cream products, right? So if you are a beginner, don't try that. Don't invest your money in something that are not going to pay off, because they are really expensive and you don't know how to use it, so don't. Then if you wanna go for a heavy coverage, then try to find a liquid foundations. There are a lot of liquid foundations with heavy coverage in the market right now, so try that instead of a cream product. And the last thing, that buying foundation according to your skin type. If you are normal to oily skin, buy according to that, because they have written on the package that this foundation is for normal to oily skin or for dry skin. Check your skin, know your skin, and then purchase according to your skin. Really helpful, and you will not regret buying that foundation afterwards. And also, after swatching the foundation, if you think that that foundation is slightly light on you, ask the lady if the foundation oxidizes or not. If the foundation oxidizes, then what you can do is, if you like that foundation, if you like that finish of the foundation, you can totally buy it, because after some time that foundation is going to oxidize. That mean that it will match to your skin, so you can buy that foundation. If the foundation range doesn't have the exact shade of your foundation, you can go for slight lighter foundation. So that's a tip. Now let's talk about the undertones, how you can know your undertones. So it is pretty simple. You just have to see to your veins. If it is green like me, then it is yellow undertone. Then that means that you are a yellow undertone person. There are three types of undertones, like yellow undertone, the pink undertone, and the neutral one. Most Indians are of yellow undertones. That are exceptions, I'm not denying it, but most of Indians are yellow undertones. And your veins are blue, then you are pink undertone or blue undertone. They both are the same, the names are different only. And if you have green and blue veins mixture, then you are of neutral undertones. On yellow undertone person, gold suits the most. You can choose like that also. If your gold jewelry suits you the most, you might be a yellow undertone. The silver or the platinum ones are the blue undertone or the pink undertones, and neutral undertones, they are blessed. Gold, platinum, everything suits them. I'm not saying anything that you are or you cannot wear platinum if you are yellow undertone. You can, it's totally up to you. I'm just saying that you can know by that thing that this person is yellow undertone or not. So it's totally up to you. You wanna wear platinum, you wanna wear silver, you wanna wear gold. Who am I to say? No one. So that's undertone. I hope you guys get it. And choosing foundation according to your undertone is important, because the foundation manufacturers makes it according to it. You know the names like golden beige or olive beige or like that, that foundations are of yellow undertone. That means that foundation will suit you more. If you choose a pink undertone foundation, that might not suit you as well, that yellow undertone one will. So it's just really simple. If you don't want to get into undertones, don't. Just go to the store and pick the foundation, choose the foundation, swatch it, and if it matches you, don't get into the things like undertones and all. It's really fine. It's just a knowledge that I wanted to give it to you, that you know that what is undertone, right? That's it for the video, you guys. I hope you really find this helpful, and the next time when you go to purchase the foundation, you remember all this point and get the perfect shade of your foundation. I really hope that. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This means absolute world to me. And please hit the bell icon so that you get notification every time I post a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.